Welcome to this video on SAP MM training in the USA. This is your complete guide to building a high-growth career in the SAP ecosystem, presented by ThinkTree Technologies. Modern supply chains rely on a digital backbone. SAP MM, or Materials Management, provides that foundation. The shift to SAP S/4HANA is creating a significant demand for skilled consultants, offering a prime opportunity for ambitious professionals. SAP MM is central to the enterprise, managing procurement, inventory, and vendor relationships. It integrates seamlessly with other modules like sales and distribution, production planning, warehouse management, and finance and controlling. Whether you are a beginner with no prior experience or a working professional in logistics or procurement, there is a clear path to becoming a job-ready SAP MM consultant. Our Career Diagnostic Matrix helps you determine the best fit among SAP modules. SAP MM is ideal for those focused on supply chain and operations. Our counselors can provide personalized mapping based on your background. Working professionals gain a competitive advantage by combining their existing domain knowledge in procurement or logistics with practical SAP MM mastery, enabling a transition into high-paying consulting roles. We follow a 7-step process to SAP mastery, moving from basics and configuration to real project scenarios, hands-on server practice, interview preparation, and ultimately, certification. At ThinkTree Technologies, our philosophy is that real value requires real exposure. We prioritize hands-on training and mentorship over shortcuts, ensuring you are truly ready to secure a job. Our training advantage includes instruction from real-world experts, a curriculum aligned with current S/4HANA demands, 100% practical scenario-based sessions, and direct access to live SAP servers. We offer flexible online training formats to fit your life, including standard weekday schedules, evening cohorts for working professionals, and intensive weekend boot camps. Our job readiness engine supports you through 3 critical stages: building a consultant-grade resume, conducting mock interviews, and providing placement guidance for the U.S. market. SAP MM offers a reliable and high-paying career path. Step into the S/4HANA ecosystem today. Map your career path with a ThinkTree Technologies counselor using the contact information provided in this video.